2. Somebody's here. Naapas na abot kita siya. Ay, naman pedestrian. O pedestrian ta because we are pedestrians. Welcome to ILOILO. And one of our friends, I don't know, she's absent right now. Yeah, maglabang ka. Thank you. Hi, bestie! When you're here in Iloilo, you should not miss their famous Lapaz Batchoy. For breakfast, we'll be going to Netong's Lapaz Batchoy. Yes! So, it's their first time here in Iloilo. Time check, it's 9:30. Netong's will open at 9:30. Actually, there are a lot of branches of Netong's here. So, you just look up what's nearest to you. So, kami, we have Netong's nearby. It's just walking distance. It's a good thing that it's just walking distance. Thank you. Uy, busog kay ko. Oh my God. We got the mega bowl. It's 150 pesos. And I suggest you get the mega bowl too when you come here because all of the ingredients are here, all in one. Guess what? She loved it. How about me? And she loved it too. And do you love it? Yes, of course. Uy, kanang kwan. I love you. Time check, it's 5:05 and we are here at Solina Resort in Carlas, Iloilo. Hey, welcome drinks.
Cheers, Tata.
Well, we're staying here for 2 nights. So how did we get here? Right after we had our brunch at Netong, so we headed straight to Tagbak Terminal and rode a Cirrus bus for 3 hours. Around 3 hours, yes. We paid 245 pesos for the fare. For those of you guys who wants to come here at Solina Resort, after the bus will drop you off at that elementary school, you can just walk because it was so near. I mean, like, you can just walk. But yeah, if you want some comfort, then you can ride the tricycle. Pero sa amin kanina, like, what? Ganito lang to kalapit? We could have just walked, diba? So here in Solina, you can actually avail a lot of their facilities. They have their recreation area where you can enjoy billiards. They also have their gym. Of course, a play area for your kids. You can also play table tennis and some other sports, volleyball, and outdoor badminton. And of course, their swimming pool. So they also have a bar here where you can hang out with your friends. And above that one is their tower. You can also do paddle boarding and kayak for free. Dinner time! Of course, what a better way to end the night than to swim in their swimming pool. Yes, yes, yes.
Spend